We also have several different round bending machines. Round bending machine is also a very big group in our factories. For the round bending machine, we have about nearly 10 models, from the manual operation to electric operation and hydraulic operations. Here we have three different. You look. First, this one is the hydraulic ones. That one is the electric ones. Why we choose these three models? Because these three models is the most popular models in the market. Okay, first let me show you this one. This one, the capacity is 15 millimeters. Why we call it 15? Because the diameters. As you know, this machine can bend in different size metal parts. Just look at these labels. Here you can see the bar, pipe, flat sheet, T-sheets, and U channels. Many different workpieces. About these machineries, you can bend so many workpieces because we have a very huge and useful rollers. Our rollers is the communicate rollers. You can change the pieces into several different styles. Then it can bend the different metal parts. Just like this one, you can bend in this metal sheet and square pipe and T-slot and U channels. Also, if you want to bend in the round pipe, we can give you another rollers. Okay, for these ones, because the diameter is 15 millimeters, it's a little bigger. It needs more power for the operate. So we use the hydraulic, because as you know, for this one, this up roller will go down and up. If you use your hand to move it, it will be very difficult. So we use the hydraulic just to save the energy, to make it operate easily. Also, in order to ensure the workpieces turn right and left in the right direction, this ruler is very useful. The workpieces just move in this way. So it will not move in this way and will not move in this way. Just moving in the right directions. Also, for this one, we called HV. Somebody will ask, why you call it HV? It means vertical and honesty. This one, you can bend in the workpieces in this direction. Also, you can put this machine down. This one is machine. Also, you can put it down. Then the roller will face to the up. It will make you have a big space to bend in the pipe. Especially, for example, you want to bend in the big metal pieces. So you need to put the machine down and do the bend jobs. Okay, for this one, we have foot pedals. As you know, during work, if you press the electric part on the machinery, it will be not easy and will affect your operate. So we give this foot pedal to help you operate the machine much easily. For the foot pedal, we have several buttons. This one is the light to show you the power is on or off. This is the start button, stop button. These two buttons is to control the top rollers. Just up, let the up roller go up. This button to let the up roller go down. Also, in the bottom, you can see there are two pedals. As you know, the roller will turn in this way, also can turn in this way. So you need these two pedals. Also, we have a label on the foot pedal to let you know the right direction of the turn. Okay, that's the main function of this machinery. Later, I show you this one. This machine is smaller and manual operates round bending machine. As you know, this machine is very popular in recent years. This one only produced in TTMC. It's our private job. As you know, for this one, it's operated by the motors. In the back, there is a motor. Here in the front, you can see we use the best part to ensure it have a good looks, and also especially to ensure it have a high quality. Look, these rollers and these rollers, it looks different. It's not black, not red. Just in this color, it looks very nice and professionals. Also these nuts and the bolts. For this one, the capacity is also 13 millimeters. For the round bending machines, the main character is the ruler. For different ruler, it can bend different metal parts. For this one, we usually give you these standard rulers. If you want to bend in other parts, you can tell me your request. We can give you different rulers for the pipe, square pipe, T-shot, U-channels, different workpieces. Just let me know your request. Then we can give you the right rulers. For this one, you can see the top ruler is operated by the manual, just like this one. Because the capacity for this one is only 13 millimeters. It's not very big, so it don't need too much power. So we think this handle is enough for the operate. Also, we have a scanner to help you to know the depth of the ruler. Just here, you saw this right now is 7. If you turn it, maybe it's moved to 7.7, go up. You can see, you can move it very easily. Very, very easily. Right now, let's go to 4.5. It's very easy for your job. I hope you will like it. Of course, for this one, it has several different electrical parts in the middle. This emergency stop, start button, and light. This is the main power switch. Before every operate, you need to get the power on, then you can start the band jobs. Also for this one, it have a foot pedal because this is the smaller one. So don't need a very huge and big foot pedal. This simple foot pedal is enough. Just the emergency stop, back and reverse turn to help you to move the roller in different directions. It's very easy. I think it's enough for this one. Of course, if you have any question about this machine, just let us know. We will give you a good answer. Okay, let's see another models. This one is how to say? It's very old models. Why we see this one is very old model? Because we have produced it more than 20 years. It's the old person in our factory. Why it have 20 years history? Because until now, still many customers like it. It's very useful and popular in the market. The capacity for this one is 30 millimeters. The capacity is same like that one, but the size is bigger. Also, the function is same, but how to say? The rollers and the size, other size is a little from that models. For this one, the standard rollers is this. It can bend in the square pipe, and T-slot, U-channels, and other size. But if you want to bend in a round tube, you need another rulers to do that job. Here, this one is also operated by the handle, because this one don't have too much capacity, only 30 like that models. So the handle is enough for the operate. Also, this one is have a scan to show you the move distance of this band of these machineries. For this one, it also have an emergency stop and the main power switch, start buttons, the necessary buttons of this machine. Also, it has a foot pedal. This foot pedal is same, very simple. Emergency stop, reverse, and forward foot pedals. Because as you know, the function of this machine is not difficult, so you don't need too much buttons. Easy job, it just need easy machinery. I think for these three models is the most popular in the market. I think how to say, maybe most customers will like it. Of course, we also have many other models in this kind of machineries, from the manual ones to the hydraulic ones. If you have a big jobs or small jobs, just let us know. Our sales team will give you the right suggestion to supply the right machinery for your business. Okay, that's the information of this round bending machinery. If you have any questions, you're welcome to visit our website and Alibaba website, and we are waiting for you here. Okay, thank you for sharing time with me. Thank you. See you.